Yesterday we discussed about the IIS, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yesterday we have started summary.
So IIS, remember? IIS, Internet Information Service. So it's like a web service. So where we can host web pages, okay, websites. So IIS service start from NT 3.0, but it gives is famous or people are using 4.0, NT 4.0. You know the NT 4.0, right? NT 4.0. The version is 4.0, IIS version. But that time there is no security. The main reason is security. What the answer is that answer is here.
No, sir. Amjad has not joined yet.
Okay.
I think he's not there on the meeting today.
Only yes, because only 60%.
Yes,
Which
only four
means
people, sir.
only
Only
four
four.
people, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Muzammil, yes, Faraz Khan, Muzammil, and you, and one person is Faraz Usman Ali Riaz.
Yes, sir.
Now three. Now is three only. Okay, wait for 2 minutes. Maybe some issue or maybe they are going to join.
Yes, sir. Actually, today the meeting today the meeting link was not up. We usually log in 2-3 minutes before.
Yes, yes, before, yes.
So actually today, because of that, might be some people thought today there are some technical issues. So inshallah, there will be
Right,
at least 7 to 8 participants will join, sir. Inshallah, we'll
right,
wait for 2 minutes and see, sir.
yes. So you got the notes?
Yes, sir. We got that.
Yes, sir. Today we received notes. Yes.
Yes,
MCSC notes
complete.
just now you
Com-
have posted. Okay.
yes,
Uh,
complete notes is
oh,
available. That one, completely.
okay, sir. It's all about server administration, no, sir. Complete
Yes, completely, completely.
whatever topics.
MCSA. No,
MCSA.
more than, yes, more than.
More than that. Yes, sir. Inshallah.
Everything is.
Inshallah, we'll
It's
go through,
like
sir.
251 page count, sir. I have seen that
Two,
some.
yes, 245 like that, 246. Like
Yes, sir.
the
Jazakallah, sir.
complete
Jazakallah.
MCSA, that is
Yes, sir.
complete
Yes, sir. We'll
MCSA.
inshallah go through, sir. Inshallah.
Yes, some because I have not explained that not written down 2 to 3 pages, just only 2 3 lines. What is the actually what is the service? Why we are using? What is the benefit? Only two
Ye-
three lines. That's
Yes,
it.
sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
interview level is good,
Yes, sir. Inshallah. Inshallah, we'll go through, sir. Inshallah. Very good.
and lab manual is like a lab manual also two in one. In that one. Previous what I am studying that is the only lab manual. I have not written any notes, any things about that one topic.
Sir, is there any open source tool like whatever you are actually demonstrating in the classes?
Hmm.
Can we practice sir, whatever like lab sessions we had, like you have shown? So is there any?
Saturday I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
If you have laptop, those people have the laptop 4 GB RAM. So that time I will tell you. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
one or two guys, if you bring, so that time I will show you how to do the
Okay,
practice.
sir. Okay, sir. I'll bring, sir. Inshallah.
Yes.
I'll bring, sir. Okay, inshallah.
So that
Thank you,
time
sir.
how to do the practice, all these things, everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like in Alhamdulillah, your videos are up on YouTube, our YouTube channel, sir. Like all the theory concepts will go through from the notes. So once we practice the practical also, sir, it will be like hands-on. We'll be
Yes,
able
yes.
to remember the things, sir. Inshallah. Inshallah. Thank you, sir.
His times no, so 6 members is running. Okay. Now IS, this purpose we are discussing. Okay, this is hosting pages hosting purpose we are using. So different version is there. So MQ 4.0 one and 2000 Windows 2000 5.0. The version is 5.0 and 2003 6.0 this version. The difference is some website is don't have the security and some version have the security. For example, we are hosting example of what the security. Previous I'm talking about only text. Text is support the text only, text message. Text message you can't because if you see the 20 years back website, so you doesn't find any pictures, any videos in that one. Only text. So it's not. But security also because there is no security. Anybody can hack your website. Any can enter your IS service and he can modify. Okay. For example, you want to buy the Dell. Okay, so some hacker is hack the website and change the price and change the pictures. So that time company will completely lost you. Means it's going to be closed, right? Because 40,000 the laptop is became a 10,000 rupees because the website is showing the official website, right? So that is the reason many things security and like features is not available, right? So when the new version is come, so that time they will provide new features, security like that. In 2008 and 2008 R2. R2, what is R2?
Release 2.
Yes, release 2. 7.0 and 7.5 like that. In 2012, 8.0 and 2012 R2 8.5. These are the versions of the IAS. The latest one in 2016 10.0 or 10.1. This is the latest one IAS version. Okay. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear up to this point.
So these are the why the version already everybody knows. So new technology is coming, new feature they added, security according to security reason, a new feature. That's it. Okay. Same thing here because support is not. Same like that client also support because These are the server. So this feature is should be available in client side, right? So Windows 8, Windows 8.1, okay, same like Windows 10 in Windows 10.1. So Windows, these are the Windows. This is the XP operating system. The feature is available in 6.0. So operating system, client operating system also have that feature. Okay, should be have clear. So this is the main purpose of the RIS service to hosting the web page. Okay, so how to host, how to access. So we will discuss. We can see the lab on Saturday, inshallah. Okay, clear. Otherwise, if I have the time, so then I will show you. Okay, how to install. Okay, how to configure the website. Okay, how to hosting the website. Okay, clear. After that, one topic that is FTP. What is FTP?
File transfer
File
protocol.
transfer protocol.
File transfer protocol.
File transfer protocol. Which person? This is the port number. Port number is 21. 20 to something 20 21. So which purpose we are using this? Upload and download. Upload and download through the internet. But you upload information. For the point. Which purpose we are using the FTP? File transfer protocol. We are using for what? To upload and download the data. Upload and download the data or information through the internet. Through the internet. That purpose we are using the FTP. Okay. So in the real time, our FTP means is real time people are using FTP is a storage. Small companies are temporary. For example, operating system files or devices, small files. Okay. For example, router operating system, switch route operating system, because same like that, how we have this operating system, same like that, switch, router also have the operating system. That is called iOS. This is OS, that is iOS. Okay. So same like that, that operating system file or small files, okay, information, they will store in FTP. So immediately you can, that FTP server, some people configure the same place, in the same network, in the company, and otherwise centralized some other place, they will configure FTP server. Our FTP server is there. So storage like a storage purpose, we can use current storage, means daily accessing the data, right? For the point. So upload and downloading the information. Okay. So that purpose, the people nowadays coming real time, the company will use FTP. Here, FTP server, file transfer protocol. So this IS service is support to FTP service also. Okay. So you can configure FTP server also in IIS. Clear? But maximum company will use the third-party tools. Okay, third-party tools, because if you configure this all these things and uploading and downloading, it take the time. You need to use the commands, all these things. So most of the companies use the third-party tools. Okay, so uploading purpose, maximum companies, according to when I see some companies, so that companies use the FileZilla application to upload. I think I have. Yes. Are you able to see, right? My screen. Guys.
Yes, sir.
sir,
We are
yeah,
able to see.
continue.
We are able to see,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
FileZilla. See here. Like that. The company real time. People are same thing. Your host, username and password and port number. So this host is nothing but my server to connect. And username administrator password, whatever the server password and port number. So you are uploading and only port number 120 is here. I told you. So here is showing a FTP 21 or 22. So 21 port number I need to type. Then you want to upload or download. So you have to select which one you want to select after the login. After login, the all server here, all server information or whatever data will be here, so it will show. You want to upload and download. So whatever you want to select and click on upload. Because here disappear. Why? Because I'm not connected to the server. I'm not logging to the server. Once you log in the server, so that time it will show here upload. When you click upload, so where you upload, so that time if you have the folder in the server location or in the server FTP server, so select that folder and click on upload. So that time automatically upload. Clear? Guys, that is a small software, just I install. So how you can see, open the control panel. So RAM and features, the files in that. This software, by 27 MB software, this one. So application you can install. Okay. Got the point? Here guys, this is upload purpose, maximum combine, because it's very easy method to connect. Otherwise, you'll see you need to open the Internet Explorer, you need to type, you need to create the DNS server. In the DNS server, you need to configure the host, means primary zone and IP address register. So many things there to configure. Just if you configure the FTP server and go to this application with the help of application, directly you can access. Clear? Got the point? So
Yes, sir.
this is Windows 7. Windows 7 you can install, you can see. So you can see the options also, whatever option. If you know this one, means options you can get. If you read, actually give only 1 hour. It's after the installation, just give 1 hour and read whatever thing. So this thing you can put in your resume also. Know about the FileZilla here, because that guys who come from the institute and any others, so he's not mentioned this one because he don't know, because institute other institute people are showing this all these things. Okay, forward. And one more one. This is the to manage, to access, to upload and download purpose. This is the one application, one tool. So for using for upload and download in FTP, but one application to control the whole server administration. That application, that tool is a AD manager. I think I have. So I'll show you. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. See here. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir. Manage engine.
Manage engine AD manager plus.
AD plus 64.exe.
Yes. If I so with the manage. So because this is the Windows 7, so it's not support. Because when I work in the company, that time is 2008 server. So that time when a company will buy, so I take out one copy this application. So from that one, I have this one. So inshallah, we'll see. I will show you because last when we finish this course means completely CCNA. After that, I will show you. Okay, so this AD manager, how to install all these things, right? Because short time, everything I need is very impossible. So I focus first. I need to finish the course with this extra things. We'll show you later. Okay. So I can't install this one. If I'm going to install, so it will check the server. Hello.
Yes, sir. We are with you. Yes, sir.
Yes. So unpackaged so enable to because this one is not supported. So install. Otherwise, you can see Google. You can go and you can see in the YouTube also completely. Okay, that is the thing. And second thing, because it's coming. So this is I am installing this Windows this refresh pack MCS EU. So I'm going to install this is with client side. When I install this application, when I start, so I get here one option administrator tools. Administration tools. So when I select administrator tools, I get the all services. All services means server services I can get here. Which services? Yeah, this administrator tools. So whatever services here there, because I installed DHCP, DNS, Active Directory, these all services I can get in Windows 7. How I can get? With the help of this application. If I install this application in Windows 7, okay. So means no need to go to the server. From Windows 7, I can open the Active Directory in Windows 7. I can create the users management. Before that one, so before I'm talking about this tools is come before this tool is means launch or before these tools if company people are using, so before that one company will use this one. What the idea? So if you install in Windows 7, so you can see it means you can whatever server services you want to use daily, so you can bring here in Windows 7. Not bring, just accessing. You are accessing the server, which is logically logging to the server with the help of this application. Clear? Why I'm showing? Because if you are give only 1 hour time, so you can many things you can understand. So at least 2-3 things you can understand with this application. You can mention in resume. So is benefit and your is weight to your resume because you know the AD manager means you know the tools. Okay, if you don't know because you are fresher also, so at least you can mention. So that time, oh, this guy is very aggressive to learn the new technology, new things, right? At least you know. Got the point. So is benefit is get the chance and is differentiate to the others to you. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So FTP, that purpose we are using FTP purpose, which purpose to upload and download the data through the internet. So information clear. So all services, how we can install? We can install with the help from where server manager. Go to the server manager, add roles and features. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. All these things, you know. So here just you need to select web service. Web server. Just click and add feature. Click on next. Here the features Whatever features, already I selected the add features. Click on next. Now, role services. So whatever you require for IIS service. So HTTP redirection. So for example, web service website, when you access the website, any access, automatically another website is come. You are not click on that website. Okay, you are not open that website. You are open the one website, but automatically second website automatically it will be open. Anytime happen with you? This thing happen with you?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Usually in the
Pop up.
on the web pages, lot of like additional pages will also be appearing. So
Yes.
if we click on
Pop-ups,
sometimes,
I
yes,
think.
yes,
So they configure. They are configure want means they are configure for advertisement purpose.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
So with the company because
Usually advertisements and
uh,
commercials
yeah,
run over there.
because they are check which website mostly people are using opening. So the company, for example, I want to advertisements. So I will check which website people are using. For example, Google. So I contacted the Google. Hello Google. Those people are open your web page. So immediately after your page, so my page also should. So Google is charge some amount to me, and then he will configure these things. Okay, in the iOS, in the website. So that time one is open, so automatically open. And sometime in the company, I'm talking about the company. For example, I take the project, other company. So the company, uh, the policy is, so you have to access my servers. You have to log on your means your developers, whatever your technical guys, whatever. So all the people log on to my server. Customer policy in the SLA. So link agreement. Okay. So the agreement they mentioned to all people log on to my server, right? So the server how to log on? So I need to type that my customer website, right? Right, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that time, what I will do, because they are habit and they are daily use to access my website, right? So if I tell to the everybody, no guys, you can log on to this server, this website, so it's very difficult. So that time what I will do, I will redirect. Means in the mobile phone, the call divert is option is available. Call divert means once you busy or your phone is switch off, so the call is goes to that number where you configure the call divert, right? In the option. Same like that, HTTP redirection is here. HTTP redirection. HTTP redirection, if you apply, you configure it. So you want to open web.com, so Usman.com it will open. If I configure Yahoo.com, when I type Yahoo.com, so the page is going to open Google.com. Got the point? Make sense, guys?
Means here in the during the setup, if we are using HTTP redirection,
Yes, yes.
it will redirect us to some other
Website,
domain.
because I want to type Usman.com,
Okay, sir.
but I type www.usman.com,
Okay.
but Usman.com website is not open. I is going to open some other, so 100.com it will be open, alkhair.com will be open. I want to open the alkhair.com, so alkhair.com, because alkhair.com do the so many things, right? But now is education part, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I redirect alkhair.com, that is the main thing. If I redirect another website, alkhair.com/education. So that time, if you are going to type only alkhair.com, so that time is redirect to directly education. What the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Education page will be open website. So that the option is available in the IIS. Okay, clear? So that are the things we need to. So here we don't know what are the settings we need to do because the developer know the well and good because to website to access to website to policy to hosting the website to what are the policies available, what are the securities that needed. So that all these things IS administrator know or the developers know. Okay, bottom line. So if you don't know, doesn't matter. Just you can select the all things. Basic authentication means who can centralize SSL secure socket layer certificate. Okay, so this all these things related to the hosting where you're hosting. So you board ready, where you're hosting, whatever you are hoster. So that time you can agreement with them. So they will provide. They will do all these things. Or IS administrator will do. So now our case, you don't know, so just select all these things, okay? HTTP redirection, customer login tools, database tracing, okay. Dynamic content compression, static. So you can select all, no problem for that one. And click on next. After restart, install. So now IIS service is installed. So here is not available IIS service when you install. So one more icon is come. In administrator tools also doesn't have IIS service. So here the option will be come after installing. Clear? Clear guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So we have discussed about what is the IIS, okay, what is the versions, okay, why we are using the IIS, okay, and what is the FTP, why we are using FTP, and how to upload and download, and what are the tools that we are using, these things. Clear? Clear guys? And this lab we can do the Saturday. Saturday we can do the all labs. Okay, DNS, IS, okay, and group policy. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
The now next topic is group policy and the last topic. And very important topic. Group policy. Management. Group policy management. You can see here. So if you go to the server, start administering group policy management. Yeah, this one. See here, guys. Now this option will come. IIS service. Clear? Internet information. Previous is not available here. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now group policy, we have seen here group policy management. Group policy management. So what is the group policy management? So already we discussed group policy management is nothing but a collection of settings which is applied to users and groups. Collection of settings which is applied to users and groups or computers. Understand guys? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So group policy apply the policy, right? Apply the, why we need to apply the policy? For security reason, to control. What type of the security? In client side, I don't want this client these are the client cannot access any pen drive. They can't access other domain controller is different department servers. Okay, and I'm going to assign permission one group to access, one group to deny. Okay. So that is the reason I'm going to apply the policy on user and computers and group. Okay. Hello guys, understand or anything need to be clear?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Understand. Continue, sir.
Okay. Now when you apply the policy, there are 3 levels. When apply policy, 3 levels. One is site level. Domain level. Third is OU level. Okay. Organizational unit. Site level, domain level, and OU level. Policy. So what is the little bit discussed with OU? So what is the OU? OU is a logical container of the Active Directory. What? Logical container of the Active Directory. Logical container of the Active Directory. So how can identify? Previous in Windows, before Windows 8, in 2003 and 2000, we call this OU2 as a group. Understand what we call? What we call?
Group.
2000 group. So what is the group? Collection of users. Collection of users.
Collection of users. Yes, sir.
Collection of users. So how? Because till now what we are doing separate user in creating, right? But in the company, that the user is separated as a department wise, right? So these many users is working for this department, this many users is working for this department, this user is working for this department. Okay, for in HP, if you take in Hyderabad, in Telangana, so more than 8,000 users is available. Okay, across small, big, all main branch, main center, and all branch people. So these are the different departments. So how many users? More than 8,000. So how we can manage individually? So it's very difficult to manage. So what we get, this branch user this much, this year. So in the group we divided this department, this users is belong to this department, this user belong to this department. So department wise is we are separate. That is called group. Collection of users is group, right? Now in the group policy, what we are going to do? So whatever policy, whatever security want to apply, so I apply on that group. So that group is now is called OU, organizational unit. Clear? Guys.
Sir, one
Yes,
second.
sir.
One second.
Yes.
One second, sir. From
Yes. देखिए अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट रहेंगे ना कंपनी में, सो मल्टीपल यूजर्स रहेंगे. अब एक एक यूजर को आई वांट टू असाइन द परमिशन और सिक्योरिटी, एक एक इंडिविजुअल यूजर को असाइन करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल भी होगी और इज इम्पॉसिबल वर्क, राइट? इफ आई फॉरगेट, so security reason, right? So it's create the problem, it's create the critical problem also. So that is the reason what I do or what I did, I created one group. I add the all users, those users belong to that particular department, right? So मैं क्या किया, वहां के पूरे डिपार्टमेंट के यूजर को एक ग्रुप बना के ग्रुप का नाम दे दिया. ओके, ये ग्रुप सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट का, मार्केटिंग. How many users in the sales department? 50 users. Okay, marketing department, how many people are? 20 department. Okay, operational इसमें कितने हैं? How many users? So in 60, right? In IT department, how many people are? Okay, 10 people, right? So that is a group. The group is nothing but a collection of users. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
whatever policy, whatever security I need to apply individual, now that policy apply to a group.
Group.
So automatically the all policy apply to each and every user, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. अब एक एक बंदे को मैं दावत रुखा देना चाह रहा हूँ घर के, तो क्या करूंगा, मैं एक घर के नाम पे ही दे दूंगा, होगा बस, खत्म, खलास.
हाँ.
So that time the permission is goes to everyone who will live in at home, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason I'm going to configure that. Nowadays, in 2008, it will be slightly, the group name is will change OU, organizational unit. While more benefit, more features is added, okay, in the organizational unit. So that is the reason it's called not a group, container. It's called container. So what the definition OU is a logical container of the Active Directory. Is a logical container of the Active Directory. So how the differentiate, because अगर group create करना चाह रहे, so how you can create? Just simple right click, previous is group, right? Got the point? Here user and group, right?
Yeah, got it.
But we are going to create container, right? So here I can't create, I don't have the this option container, right? This OU. So where I can, so right click, and here I can get OU, organizational unit, in the domain. Okay, and see here, if you are able to see, so tell me what is the difference, this one or this one, this folder and this folder, what is the difference? Anybody can say?
The domain controller is logged, sir. I mean, only administrative. I think.
No, I'm talking about the picture photo. So what is the difference between this photo and this photo, this picture? Folders, yellow color.
Yes, sir. Inside domain controller, there is some file or some letter, right? Something is appearing in the domain controller. Whereas in built-in, there is simply a folder, like there is
like a
nothing.
folder.
Yes.
Yes. So this is called container. Domain controller is nothing but container, and these are the files. Clear? So that is the difference. Means physically, means to see how can identify this is the container and this is the folder. Got the point? Now, if I right click on domain, new, if I click on new organizational, if I write this is for sales department, so protect container from accidental deletion. See here. Now, see here, Usman, any difference?
Yes, sir. It became container now, like.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same, like a domain controller,
domain
right?
controller.
Yes, sir. Same icon of domain controller.
Exactly.
So this is the container. See here, this is my domain, right? Active Directory, full address.
Yes,
right click, view. So how many options here? How many options is available? Read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right?
10 options. Yes, sir.
Where? In the server domain controller, right?
In the domain controller.
Now
Yes,
I'm selecting this one, which container I select. And now I select and see here how many options available.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same 10 options are available, sir.
Yes. This is for the domain. This is for the domain, and this is for the particular department.
So, Yes, sir. We need to right click on domain controller. I mean
Yes,
group
and then yes,
folder.
and here if I go new and click on user, see here, same option.
Yeah,
Previous,
yes. This will be a new user for the sales department, right, sir?
yes. So for example, SL sales one. I'm writing the name sales one user. Yes, SL1. Click on next. So SST at 123.
Rate 123.
SST at 123. See here. There is no SL1, right? Where is the SL1? In the cell. So
Sales.
this user belong to this department. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Got the point? This is the
Yes, sir. Got the
OU,
point.
organizational unit, or the organization unit. It's nothing but collection of the users, right? So what the benefit? What is the things in the previous and now? Here, same like that, whatever the Active Directory. So for example, here user. So what are the things available here? So all the options I can get here. Got the point? So that is the reason it's called, it is a logical, what I said, is a container of the Active Directory. Okay.
Yes,
It is
yes,
a
sir.
logical container of
Container
the
of Active Directory.
Active Directory.
Organizational unit is a logical
Container,
container
yes,
of Active
container of the
Directory.
Active Directory. Okay.
Logical
Same like that, Active Directory is a big tree and this is the small tree.
Yes, sir.
Like that. Same provide because the option is available, the same option, whatever Active Directory option provide, because it's a part of the Active Directory, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But this option is available for only this particular OU. Clear? And that option is available for whole domain. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What the point? So whatever policy I want to apply, so if I apply to sales department, automatically all this the policy, the permission is applied to the all users. Okay,
The
instead
user.
of particular one user. So my
Yes, sir.
work
Yes,
is
sir.
become a very easy, right? What the point?
So, sir, first we make the group of like we make the policies and we'll divide it into groups like sales
Yes,
and
yes,
finance and
yes.
marketing and
Marketing.
operations and
So, for example, you are my customer. You
yes,
are
sir.
my customer. Okay. So you are working for me, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
I don't have the developers. So you have the developers, right? So
Okay,
what? We are agreement. Okay. So what are they? So you people want this. So I will create the group and all your users I added in that group. Okay. Whatever
Yeah,
permission,
definitely.
what the security I want to apply, so I can apply. Easily I
Yes,
can
sir.
manage, right?
Sir, easily
Easily
it's
I can
managed.
manage. I
So
easily
so
can
for
apply the security. So that
so in real time, first we will make the groups and like the according to the policy, and then according to the user, whichever user or end user is there, we will insert that user in that specific group, right, sir?
yes, exactly.
That's it.
Because if I show before, so that time so many complicated because you need to understand how to create the user and how to create. You're confusing, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, just I say the OU, whatever, everything you can understand, easily understand. Wow, what is the thing? I no need to explain this all these things. So that is the reason I'm not showing that time. Someone is asking, so group maybe Tahe or someone is asking, so group is there, so how we can create the group? So that time I said we have policy practice thoda sa time. This word I am using that time. I
Yes,
will
sir.
show you what the point.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So
Yes,
now
sir.
you can easily understand. So like that. Now how I can delete this? So just right click on delete. Option is available. Yes. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. So you do not have the sufficient privilege to delete these cells or object the protected is accidental deletion. Because when I create,
Yes, sir.
when I was going to create, so that
Yes, sir.
time I have that one.
We have given accidental protect from
Yes.
accidental like
Yes.
deletion.
For example, this is operation. So if I uncheck this one and click on OK, so now operation, my operation department. So just right click on delete, click on yes, yes. Easily I can delete, right? Got the point? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. If I create, sorry, if I create one more OU, marketing, click on OK. So if I delete, say it's not going to be deleted, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to delete because you are my customer, so I done my work, everything is finished,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. The
So
service
you
has been
said that
provided, and now
name
we want to
everything okay for
close
me.
that group.
I want to delete. So
Yes.
that time is not giving the permission to delete. So how I can delete? So see here, right click properties. How many tags is there? 1, 2, 3 options. Complex, managed by, general. Okay, so only give me 3 minutes. I will show this one. Uh, Continue. Tomorrow it's only 5 minutes. Tomorrow I will start with 5 minutes, and then 2:15 we will start the CCNA class. Okay, so give me only 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Okay. Message. So where we are. So how can? So just click on view and see here how many options? Only 3 tabs, right? Remember? Now click on advanced features. Click on advanced features. Now select marketing department and click on properties. Now see, Usman, how many tabs is available now?
Now,
6 tabs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
Six.
tabs are there.
Yes, is it increasing or decreased?
Increased, sir.
Increase,
Previous
sir.
only 3, managed
3,
by
sir.
and com plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Attribute, security, object. So now click on object. Now see here, product object from the accident review, right?
Yes, sir.
So uncheck this one and click on OK and right click and delete, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Automatically deleted. Now what happened? Second scenario, how to manage. You are working, means SL department, you are working sales department, right? This user, for example, this is the Usman user, okay? So Usman user is working in the sales department. Now I want to shift, or company want to shift, or Usman want to change the domain, sales to marketing, right?
Yes.
So how I can? So just right click, select sales department, select user, right click and click on move. Click on move and select marketing and click on OK. So from sales department is removed and is come to the marketing department, right? So what are the policy? What is the permission is gone? So automatically is removed from the sales department.
Yeah.
And when
Now,
is enter this marketing
yes, sir.
department, what are the policy? What is the permission?
Yeah,
Click on.
modified. He'll get all the policies of marketing department now.
Otherwise, individual is very difficult. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. How to create the OU, how to create the user inside the OU, and how to user move one OU to another OU. Same like that. Again, I want to shift. Right click, click on move, and select
Right.
sales. Click
Okay.
on right. Sales. Halas. For the point, there is
Yes,
no
sir.
mark. So like that, I can move. I can create. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
we have one more thing. One thing. In sales, we have moved the user to move to, sales to marketing and marketing to sales. If the user is required both the OUs at the same time, and whether the policy will affect wherever he added, or only one, he will be part only for the one group.
Now, one user is not affected to others.
Sorry?
You're talking about the one user, right?
Yeah, the same user, we require this particular user to be a part of sales and marketing. So which policy will apply to him?
So whatever policy you are moving, so which OU is a part of member, is a member of that one. So that for that OU policy is applied to that user.
No, my question was, is the sales user, the sales member, user
Yes, move
object
to the marketing.
No, I'm not moving to that. I want this user to be a part of these two groups, sales and marketing. So at that time, and which policy will come into a picture? sales policy or marketing policy. If he is a part of these two groups, if he is able to part of these two groups, whether we
No.
can able to make them.
No, that time you have to go to the individual permission to particular user.
Okay.
Clear?
So,
Right.
so at that time, we need to, as we have, for example, we have 5 users in marketing unit and 10 users are in sales unit. This is the level, and this is the user who recently joined, but he should be a part of both the users. So we need to add them individually into that particular group, or how can we give the permissions for both the units?
Individual. That time is a part of two, so individual permissions. Both of the
Individual.
Yes.
Okay. So we should not add him to the particular group.
No. We can add,
So,
but the particular permission you have to give. Otherwise, like that, you have to create a group. Though, like that, users you add in that group and give the permissions to particular that group, not add in that one.
Okay. So, we need to add or give the policy as per the organization. We can apply the policy to the user.
Yes.
As per the whatever the policy applied. We give the permission to for both the units, right?
Yes, but in the real time, you're talking about not like that happened. So, but which person is belong to that person? For IT department, some other manager or some other people, they want, so that time they are give that immediately, that time special permission they can access. For the point.
Okay.
For example, yes. So this department is complete. I can't access to this department. You want to access right server. So that time IT manager need to access this also. So IT manager have the permissions, right? So that time we need to give the permissions. So that is the separate groups of separate permission we need to allow.
Oh, okay then. Thank you.
Right. Government. So this is that OU and level. So apply that side level because we have the time, less time. So 3 times side level. See here, what is the site? Site already you know, physical location of the domain, that is the site, right? So this is Hyderabad. So anyone can visit Hyderabad and can see. In the site we have domains. Right. So this main domain server and this side domain controller, this domain controller we have. Okay. So if site level, if I apply the policy, this is the site level. If I apply the policy, that policy apply to this domain also, this all client user also, this domain also, and this domain controller also, this all users also. For example, Microsoft, the main Microsoft.com is apply the policy. So means they said we are increase the price for MCSC or any product this much. So across the globe, the price is increased, right? So that is the site level. Means if I apply the policy to everywhere, the policy is applied. For example, in India, but India is a site, right? One site. So India, Mr. Prime Minister is declared, or our petroleum minister is declared, so we can increase the 5 rupees the petrol price. So across the India, everywhere, every petrol pump, even village, okay, everybody increase the 5 rupees, right, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody. So
yes,
that is the site level. Okay, clear?
Site level. Yes, sir. Yes,
Site
sir. Exactly.
Domain level means, for example, the law is there. So those people means those is ride the bike. So behind who will sit, that person also should wear the helmet. If you go to the Karnataka, Bangalore, so that is the rule. If who's sitting behind, not
behind,
wearing the helmet, so
it's no
you
issue.
get the challenge. But in Telangana, it's not like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is
Only the person who is riding has to wear here.
Yes, so that is the domain. So means if domain level means if I apply the policy this domain, for example Telangana, so this policy applied to all Telangana people, means domain controller, every user. Got the point?
Yeah.
But it's not applied to here also. This is not applied to here.
Yes, sir.
Got the point? This
Yes.
is the domain level.
Yes. Like sir, we can say that this I mean this site level policies are like country level policies, like and
Yes, for example, Microsoft is Microsoft
domain
is
level
a-
domain level
Tell me.
policies are state-wise different
Yes,
policies
yes.
that we have. For an
Yes.
example, in order to understand, we can imagine in that way. Yes, sir.
Yes. OU level means
OU level.
religion wise, for example, these are the Muslim quotas, this is the non-Muslim quotas.
Okay, okay. It's just like reservation
Yes,
that we have,
reservation, yes,
like
yes,
ST,
reservation.
SC, OBC,
Yes, yes,
BC, that like that. The special category like persons with disabilities, all those we
Yes.
have different like.
So in that, see here, this is the OU. So we have the OUs, means departments here. These are the departments, right? So in the department, all users is available, right? OU, this is the OU. Inside the users, right? So sales department, marketing department, IT department. If I apply the policy with sales department, so the policy apply or affected to all only sales user, not
sales
this
people, yes,
operation
sir.
IT. This, understand?
Not marketing. Yes, sir.
What the point? So
That
three
is what
levels.
is organizational units.
Unit level, OU
Yes,
level,
OU level. Okay.
site level,
Site level, domain level, and unit
OU
level.
level.
Yes.
Got the point? Site
These
level
are
is
three.
affected to everything, every domain,
Everything.
every child domain, every user, every OU, everything. Even
Everything.
administrator also. Even administrator, because Microsoft is declaring even Microsoft CEO want to write exam, he need to pay that much. 5 rupees is increased, so 5 rupees increase, right? For example, petrol price is increased, so even Modi also filled the petrol, so he need to pay the
Yeah,
5
he
rupees,
also
right?
yes, sir. Exactly.
Got the point? So
Very good
that is
example.
the policy, right? So policy. But here in domain level, so we can,
No.
it's only domain level. There is only
Domain level,
Telangana,
sir.
only Telangana. Every should follow, but not other states. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
In particular, this group means only this group apply policy. This is not to anybody. Got the point? So that is the 3 level to apply the policy. Clear? So how to apply the site level, how to apply the domain level, how to apply OU level,
You
and
organize
how to
level.
verify, how to verification. Inshallah, Saturday. Inshallah, we'll see.
Inshallah. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank
So
you,
that
sir.
is only 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It will take. Okay. Got the point.
Inshallah.
Clear? And
Yes, sir.
tomorrow, 10 minutes, I will show the AD manager. 10 minutes, if you come on time, 10 or
Yes,
2
sir.
o'clock. So that
Yes, sir,
10 to
exactly.
15 minutes, I will show the AD manager. So we can see the how to configure. If it's you can install, so that time we can see. Okay. So I will show you how to manage. Okay, that's it. And inshallah, we should start CCN
Yes, sir.
tomorrow. So
Yes,
with new topic,
Okay, sir.
new thing, because don't miss the first class. Okay, if you use the
No,
first
no.
class, because it's not like a we are discussing okay means demo class, like a demo class from tomorrow we will start, not like that. That is the first class. However, the first class, that is the what you can say post class, everything that is from tomorrow. Okay, got the point?
Okay, sir.
So don't be tomorrow class people, because have the mention okay in the mindset. Oh, first class is maybe his discussion first few things. Okay, that network about that we know all these things. If you know, so that revision to you. Okay.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Inshallah.
Yes, and sir, in the first class, you have shown that a file wherein we have all the contents, like index of all the server administration. Can you share that in the group, sir? All the contents that we have covered in this server administration course, like
List. List of topics.
A list of there was actually like you had, no sir, the list of 15 or 16 items something
Yeah.
that we have gone through.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, walaikum salam.
Here, one more thing. Sir, Monsha sir, as you discuss about the trust relationship, did you discuss about that, or it is yet to be discussed? Or this is the topic only for the trust relationship?
Inshallah, sir, we will continue tomorrow. Whatever you have questions, matters. You
Okay.
can discuss.
Yes. Okay. Like our time is up for today.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir. Allah.